Hello and welcome back to the YakChat channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to set up auto-compliance messages to make sure every conversation stays compliant effortlessly. First, open the admin portal and navigate to the Compliance tab. Locate the compliance profile that your number is assigned to and click Edit Compliance. Under the Settings section, you'll see the Opt-out message option. Toggle this on. Here you can also customize the wording of the message that will automatically be sent. Once you're happy with your changes, click Save. Next, refresh your app. You'll notice that the compliance message now appears in the messaging bar for all conversations. From now on, it will be automatically sent to any contact whenever you send your next message. Let's see it in action. Here's an open conversation. Because compliance messaging is now enabled, if I send a message, the auto-compliance message is triggered and sent automatically. And that's it. You're all set. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the YakChat channel for more tips and tutorials.